Last time, we saw that a composition is made of parts that sum to a whole. Today, let's look at 3 properties of compositions. In the last video, I split my day into sleep, sedentary time, light physical activity, and moderate to vigorous physical activity, or MVPA. Each of these behaviours is a component, or part, and together they sum up to 24 hours. We're interested in the relative distribution of time across the day, which means looking at the ratios between parts. We're going to talk about 3 properties of compositions. The first of these is scale invariance. This means that the relative relationships or ratios between parts are the same, regardless of what scale I express them in, such as hours per day, minutes per day, or percentage of daily time. Here, the ratio of sleep to MVPA is always 4.5. The second property is subcompositional coherence. This means that the ratios between parts are the same, regardless of the presence or absence of the other parts. For example, if I take out sedentary time and light physical activity, I'm left with a subcomposition consisting only of sleep and MVPA. However, the ratio between sleep and MVPA is still 4.5. And this holds regardless of how I define my subcomposition. For example, I might ignore sleep and focus only on the subcomposition of waking time, and the relationships between these parts will still be the same. The third and final property is permutation invariance. This means that the ratios between parts are the same, regardless of the sequence in which they're expressed. I can scramble the parts any way I like, and the ratios are unchanged. If I rearrange this composition, the ratio between sleep and MVPA is still 4.5. To respect these properties, we express compositions as a set of ratios, and we'll talk about their analysis next time.